You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. They are indeed homophones, meaning that they are spelled differently, they have a different meaning, but the pronunciations are exactly the same, and that's both for British English and American English. The pronunciation in British English is bazaar. Alright, so ba with a schwa sound, and then za. Now, the British English don't really pronounce the R at the end, bazaar, right? While the American English pronounces it as bazaar. Bazaar. Alright, so the top word here is a market in the Middle East or Asian countries, a bazaar. The bottom word comes more from French, and it's something that is strange, alright? Something bizarre. Bazaar. So you got the bazaar that you'd find in Morocco, for example, and something that is really strange, a bit odd. Bizarre. Bizarre. It's easy once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.